Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. We're going to stay pretty much within my comfort zone today. Today's unit is from Sensational's Dashley collection, and she is already a side part with lovely layers. I mean, she's just everything. I'm just a sucker for this kind of wig, and I probably own like 50,000 of them like this, but this one might be worth the try here. So Sensational Dashley, we are looking at lace unit number 7. Because it's a Dashley unit, we're really expecting a quick, easy install. So I'm reading the back of the stock card, the product details. She has ear-to-ear soft lace, an essential addition to your wig stash. She's made with heat-resistant fiber, available in fashion-forward colors, and you can dress her up or dress her down. Besides the regular colors, here is a stock card with these beautiful, beautiful fashion colors. And I'm just so in love with this one right here. Look at that lavender. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. On the cap features, you have the deep side part. So we're looking forward to that. I think that says baby hairs right there. You know, those guys are debatable. We're going to see how this looks before we even think about adding those, but they are there. Now the color I got, I love it. Just love it. And I love the name. So this is Dashley unit number 7 in Money Piece Hazel. Money Piece got it going on. Look at those. I mean, I just adore the dark roots, and I love the way it goes down here, and it just goes into this absolutely stunning butterscotch kind of color. Okay, so we've got that lace, and let's look at this part. Okay, not bad at all. That is, I like that. See the baby hairs, and they are long enough to where if you want to cut them, to shorten them, that's great. But of course, they look nice like this too. Child. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm taking a little bit of a moment here to kind of feel myself. I'm sorry to indulge. There just comes a point in time when you put on a unit and you're just like, the color, the style, it all just kind of comes together for you. Okay, I'm having one of those moments right now. This is lovely. I didn't glue her. I put her on. She fits just as snug as a bug in a rug. Now, the only thing I would do is maybe get some foundation makeup on her, but I really don't need to do that. What did I use? The Beloise Tint Lace Mousse. just did it for me. Look at that. Look at those layers. And this has such a nice density to it. It's not heavy, it's nice and light. Cap feels really good. And this color is killing me. Money Piece Hazel. All right, girl. Back a little bit so you can see about where she's landing on me. You pull up a little bit. It's about right there. And I love this casual top with her. She just adds an air of fun and, dare I say, sexiness that is really very nice. She is really, really pretty. Guys, we are loving the lace unit number 7, Dashley lace unit number 7. And I have probably never recommended a color before, but if you think Money Piece Hazel is for you, y'all better get out and get you some Money Piece Hazel. It is so, just lights up the face. I love her. Okay, I am sold. Guys, I love it when I can bring something to you that just excites me. And I have not a place to go today. I may just wear this. I'm going to have to find some place to go. You know, when a wig just makes you want to find some place to go, then you know. Thanks so much. Can't wait to hear your comments. Let me know how you feel, and especially if you have her, I've got to know how she's working for you. And the Dashley line, period, I could really see making a wardrobe out of the Dashley line. So if you are somebody who's had a lot of Dashley experience, talk to us. And guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all who have, and hope to hear from you soon. Until next time, guys, please stay blessed.